Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Alexa voice recognition in Amazon account, full guide step by step clearly. To disable Alexa voice recognition in your Amazon account, start by opening your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for the Amazon website and press enter. Log into your Amazon account using your registered email address and password. Once logged in, locate the menu icon, usually found in the upper left corner. Click on the menu icon to reveal a list of options. From the list, select Your Account. In the Your Account section, scroll down to find Content and Devices. Click on Content and Devices to access a new set of options. Navigate to the Devices tab within this section. Look through the list to find your Alexa-enabled devices. Select the device you wish to modify to view its settings. Once selected, scroll down until you see Voice Settings. Click on Voice Settings to enter the voice recognition settings for that device. Within Voice Settings, look for the option that says Voice Recording. Click on Voice Recording to manage how Alexa records voice interactions. You will find a toggle to disable voice recordings. Switch the toggle to the off position to disable voice recognition. After making your changes, ensure to save any updates if prompted. Review the selected device settings to ensure voice recognition is fully disabled. Exit the Settings menu to complete the process. Return to the main account page to confirm that your settings have been saved properly. Your Alexa voice recognition is now disabled, ensuring that your voice interactions will no longer be recorded. You can repeat these steps for any additional Alexa devices associated with your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.